Morning guys, today we're going to replace a door mirror. I was driving down the lane the other day and there was a car coming the other way and I smashed my mirror, so I need to replace it. I managed to pick up a second-hand one, same colour, for about 20 quid. So I'm going to show you the process of renewing it. What we need to do first of all is remove this cover here, because we've got two bolts in behind there and the wiring, and there's the third bolt there. That one's going to be quite easy, but it's one awkward one down in beyond this panel, so I'm hoping that I ain't got to take this side panel off. We should better get at it. Right, first of all we need to try to pull this panel off. We might need a screwdriver to get it off, but a little bit of persuasion, we should better get it off. Okay, there we go. This little clip there we need to get out afterwards, hang it out the way. Right, there's a bolt there, and there's a bolt down in there. So what I think I'll do is stuff a bit of cloth down inside there so the bolt don't drop down in behind. I'll stuff a bit of rag down in here just to stop the bolt, if you drop it, don't fall all the way down the door. But we need to get it down low enough so you're able to get the ratchet in there. Right, that should do us. See, that's the bolt down there we need to get at. They're actually 10mm bolts, so just get yourself a 10mm socket and a little ratchet, and we should be able to get that one out no problem. Apart from that, it's an easy job, apart from this bottom bolt. So hopefully we can get in there all right and loosen it off. Bit tricky. You might better just loosen it off with a socket. Nope. Gonna have to use the ratchet. Just gonna unwind the window. Put your finger on the socket so you can ratchet it out. And hopefully we can grab it with our fingers. He's loose. Now just get yourself a little magnet. Right, that's the first one out. That's the hardest one to come out. You got this other one up here. Right, we'll leave that one in for a minute, because if we have a look in here, we need to disconnect this wire. What you need is a little pick to get that one out. show you on the other mirror I've got how that one comes out. Got a little clip there, so get yourself a little pick, put it in behind there like that, and then he pops out. A little bit awkward. I might need a screwdriver just to ease him out. There we go. Not very much room at all. Yeah, let's just pull that one to the side. Then we can get the last bolt out. Right, that's all your bolts out. The mirror's tucked up and beyond this seal here, so you just have to lift the bottom up and that should pull out. Just like that. So what we need to do is hook that seal up and beyond there before we push the bottom end down. Hopefully we can slide them in from this end. I don't know if you can see or not. Just hooking beyond that seal and lower the bottom end down. Now just catch the other two bolts loosely. So that's those two bolts in. Next stage, get this wiring out of the way. Bit tricky to get it in. Give him a little press and he clips in. Now we need to try and get this bolt in without dropping it. Which is easier said than done. It might be best to put them in on the socket. Once we get them caught a couple of threads, we can put the ratchet back in and do them up tight. Well, that's him caught. Now we can ratchet him back up. The bolts only need to be nicked up because they're only 10 mils. One down. 2. And 3. Right, before we put this on, we just need to make sure it works. There we go. That's the electric side of it working. Now the last job to do is to get this back on. But you see, that little clip there goes in there. So we need to pop this one out, put it in there, and then we better push it in. So we need to get a little screwdriver and try to lever that one out. Right, let's try and get this clip out. There we go. It's that little clip. Just hooks into there. Just like that. All we've got to do is line the pin up and push it back on. There we go, all complete. And that's your finished product. Once you've completed it, give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.